My name is Caleb Turner, and myself and our 20-person staff has worked all year long to create the 94th edition of the Petit Jean Yearbook. So from the very beginning, when we decided what this year's theme was going to be, up until distribution day, that was exactly 400 days. So it's over a year-long process. We plan during the summer and a little bit from the previous school year, and then we work all during this current school year to make it into the most beautiful piece of work that we can. We start from blank pages and we build it all. So it's all our own photography, all our own design, all our own copy. There are no templates. Often, a lot of times people think we create our book from templates that we get online or from our yearbook company, but that's not true. It really is a student-led project where we are doing everything, creating everything, and putting it together in this incredible package. So when we create this book from day 1 to day 400, it's really the details that matter. Our attention to detail is what's going to make it special for the Harding community that reads it. So a couple of those little fun things I like to point out to people. First of all, the division pages, which are what separate each section. You'll notice that they're fonts overlaid on each other. So what we did was we went and pulled old fonts back from old Petit Jean yearbooks, and we overlaid those on each other to create the division pages. So we're bringing together old pieces of the Petit Jean and old traditions at Harding into something new and really exciting and fun. Also, the colors in the book, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. A lot of people might not understand why we chose those. Those are the 4 colors of the printing process. So when they're overlaid on each other, they create the images that are printed here in the book and the spreads that are printed. So that kind of goes along with our theme of bringing together all of our pieces into one collective story. So that was a cool way to tie in the theme there. Sure, yearbooks are great for what we're doing right now and for looking at them right now and seeing what your friends do and getting to see what pictures you made. But really what we've done in these past 400 days is for the people that will look at this 40 years from now. This yearbook that we've created this year is really for the future and for those that will look at it to recall those memories and remember what made 2018 at Harding so special.